Unlock your AI future with NanoSchool's Beginner AI Development Track. Welcome to NanoSchool, India's leading deep science learning organization. Our Beginner AI Development Track helps you master Python, NumPy, and Pandas in just 6 weeks. Build real AI pipelines, no prior coding needed to start your journey. Earn an NSTC-verified certificate recognized by top Indian employers. Gain full stack to production skills, enabling you to build and deploy AI solutions. Learn Python basics, NumPy for efficient numerical computing, and Pandas for data mastery. Engage in hands-on projects like an AI data predictor, Pandas data analysis app, and a capstone AI pipeline. This course is ideal for fresh graduates, career switchers, professionals, and entrepreneurs across India, especially in Delhi NCR. Enjoy lifetime LMS access and a 30-day refund policy for peace of mind. Benefit from NSTC mentorship and optional career guidance sessions to boost your career. Enroll now for only 2,499 rupees and kickstart your AI development journey today.